In this video, the teacher gets her students to work in ability groups to produce a mind map that shows the characteristics of cells. The students then improve their mind maps by reviewing one another's work.
Good morning, class. Good morning. Dear children, today we are going to introduce the term cell. Cell means it is the...
The lesson begins with the teacher reminding the class about the topics covered so far.
Now, this was just a small piece of information which I just wanted to give you so as to trigger your imagination. We are going to do an activity, and based on that activity, we are going to make a mind map. Mind map basically means that we have to create a flow chart kind of a thing. For example, if we take cell as a center, what are the various aspects which we can divide cell into? Okay, so you will be making a pictorial representation on a piece of paper which is called mind mapping. But before doing this activity, we will be doing a small activity where we try to label all the different parts of the cell. From this activity, you get some keywords, okay, and these keywords you will be now using to make a mind map. In the end of the activity, we will be sharing our mind maps with others, and we'll see like who could actually come up with the best mind map. Clear? Shall we divide the class into 6 groups now? I think Aditya, you can get up.
For this activity, the teacher differentiates the work. She's dividing the class into groups with 3 ability levels. She's also prepared different worksheets to match each level.
This is your worksheet on which you are going to work.
What's this?
Golgi apparatus?
No. Golgi
apparatus.
this.
I've seen them before, but I can't read. See, this is a nucleus. You can label it.
I guess it's a cell wall.
And this is cytoplasm. Vacuole, which one? This one. The white one.
This is Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus.
Let's come to nucleus. That must be the nuclear membrane.
Yeah, that's the
It protects the nucleus from the harmful substances.
It also has
No,
force.
it does.
No, it has.
It does not allow any foreign substance to enter.
Yeah.
It helps in the formation of spindle fibers so that the nuclear material can equally divide among the daughter cells. What does a lysosome do? These are the protein factories of the cell. Okay, this is the sample of a mind map which we are going to do. Clear? This one is an example of acids and bases, their behavior, their properties, their various characteristics. So, this one gives you a fair idea how you have to work on your mind map which is on the topic cell. Clear? So, in the same way, cell will be at the center and there will be radiating branches, and in these branches you will be mentioning about the various key points which you will be spelling down. So, the key points, you can use this sample sheet as a rough sheet also. You can note down your key points on the side, and then I will be giving this fair sheet to you, and on this fair sheet each group will be making their mind map. Clear? So, I am giving one sample to each sheet. This is the sample and this is the white sheet on which you will be making your mind map. This is the sample.
Good handwriting. Prokaryotic and eukaryotic.
You can raise the shape.
Why?
Here you can raise the size.
First, we are writing the components of the cell. That the nucleus, cell membrane. Anshul gave cytoplasm. Gavish gave cell organelles. Nucleus, Kushag. And cell membrane is given by Yash.
2 people can write at the same time. Others can fill up the other branches.
Yes, ma'am.
Shubhi ko de de, Shubhi
Very good.
Structure. Size.
I want this group to swap the sheet with this group and see if you can add some more information. You will have to underline it also if you are adding anything into the sheet of the other group so that they come to know that this is your addition. Clear? Please add something and underline it.
The teacher ensures groups of similar ability levels exchange mind maps with one another to offer their classmates feedback on their work.
यार ये तो examples of cells हो गए ना. These are not the size of the cells.
Okay, shall we exchange now?
Yes, ma'am.
And I hope you'll be able to improve your sheets now. Yes, please improve on your sheets now.
ये तो ठीक है ना component.
हाँ. Nucleus, two types eukaryotic cells help in development, they help in transporting.
We can write mitochondria.
Of course, shouldn't lie.
Cell wall is the outermost covering. Animals, no cell wall, only the cell membrane. Very good.
Your students can use mind maps to summarize many different topics. Getting your students to give feedback on one another's work helps them to see where to make improvements in their own work.